Welcome. During my entire career, I've been talking with several executive leaders and entrepreneurs to understand what are the main problems, the main issues they have when they try to grow and design a company in the digital era. And it's very interesting and funny to see that most of those problems are common between all the different guys. And there are always 5 main problems. The first problem they have is how do they connect or how do they translate the strategy into daily operations? Meaning, how do I align everyone in the company and how do I make sure that everyone in the organization understands how they are contributing to the big picture? The second bigger problem is how do I reduce the time to market? So how the heck can I, as an entrepreneur or founder or executive leader, could build a company that is extremely fast to deliver products into the market to satisfy our customers? The third biggest problem that they find I found and they have is how do I create a continuous improvement culture? There is a lot of problems in our companies on a daily basis. So how do I create a culture where we can identify those problems, fix those problems, and create a much faster, effective, and efficient company? Fourth biggest problem, learning organization. We recruit a lot of people, there's a lot of knowledge within our organizations, but the way how we share the knowledge within the organization is not very effective and efficient. So how do we create a way, a process, a system to allow our workers to share the best knowledge, the best practice within the entire organization? And the fifth pillar or fifth problem they have, it's the innovation. How do I drive the innovation in my company? So how can I compete with the startups that are always putting innovative products in the market and they are always disrupting? So my name is Gonçalves. I'm the founder and managing director of Evolution4all, and I'm the creator of the Organizational Mastery. It's a blueprint designed for executive leaders, entrepreneurs to build companies, to design organizations for the digital world, to help them to become fast, effective, efficient in these disruptive times. Thank you.